After 2 slow weeks in the Brantford real estate market, we finally saw a bit of light last week. Sales jumped from 9 to 15 to 20 homes, so activity is starting to move in the right direction, even though we're still working with a relatively small sample size. The average sale price last week came in at approximately $572,000. When we break down what actually sold, we saw 4 condo sales ranging from $307,000 to $444,000, a single townhouse sale at $530,000, and 15 detached homes which averaged roughly $630,000. Most of the activity right now is clearly happening between $450,000 and $700,000 range, where buyers are finding the best value in today's market. But one statistic really stands out. We still have not seen a single home sell above $900,000 in Brantford in 2026. That means we are now 75 days into the year without a single sale over $900,000, which is something we almost never see historically. Looking at where these sales are happening across the city, activity is fairly spread out. So we saw transactions in several of Brantford's mature South End neighborhoods, including the areas around Linden Ave, Salisbury, Brunswick, and Eagle Place area. There were also several sales in West Brant, including homes on Merritt Lane, Ventnor Court, and Majestic Court. The condo sales were concentrated in established apartment buildings on Gray Street, Hayhurst Road, Norman Street, and Bon Hur, while the townhouse sale occurred in a new development on Colbert Street West. Another factor affecting activity right now is simply the time of year. We are still in the tail end of winter, and weather can slow down showings and buyer activity in a hurry. Last week was insane. Once temperatures stay consistently above zero and we move fully into the spring market, we'll start to get a much clearer picture of where demand really sits this year. The key takeaway right now is that homes priced correctly in the lower to mid-range are still selling, but buyers today are very patient, they're comparing options, and they're very focused on value. But the next 2 weeks will be very important.